Let's start with beta isomerism. So first we need to know about isomers. What are isomers? Iso means beta same, mers means part. To know, we have something called monomers, okay, and we have something called polymers. Mono means beta one and mers means part. In this context, mers means part, okay. Poly means beta many and mers means again part. So beta monomer means that it contain only a single part or single molecule, okay. Poly means many. So beta when many monomers join together, when many parts join together, they form the polymers, okay. Same here, we have beta isomers. Iso means same, iso, okay. Iso means same. Mers mean parts. So beta those molecules that are having the same atoms, okay, are known as the isomers. See here, compounds that have the same molecular formula but different arrangement of the atoms are known as the isomers, okay, and this phenomena is known as isomerism. Now beta, there are two types of isomers. One is known as structural isomer and the other is known as the stereoisomers. So beta, structural isomers, okay, one thing I want to tell you here, I have highlighted this keyword here, different arrangement of atoms, okay, because this is the keyword that you will write in the definition and this will award you the marks, okay. So compounds that have the same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms are known as isomers. Now isomers are a bit of two types, structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers are those isomers that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula, okay. By structural formula I mean that how they are bonded together. Now there are three types of structural isomers: chain, position and functional group isomers, okay, which we will discuss one by one. Now beta, there are second type of isomers that are known as the stereoisomers. The stereoisomers are having same structural formula but different spatial arrangement, which in maths you are familiar with the word geometry, right? So same structural formula but different spatial arrangement, which can also be called geometry, okay. So beta, stereoisomers are those isomers that are having the same structural formula but different spatial arrangement, or you can say geometry, okay. Now we have two types of stereoisomers. One is known as EZ or geometric isomers and other is known as the optical isomers. We will only be dealing with EZ geometric isomers, okay, geometric isomers, and we will not be studying optical because you will be studying this in year 2.